Kariz Magic na uria ni brother ya Samido riu ni arikitie kumbura ndeto yake thĩinĩ wa family yao, akirikia kuga ati mweri uyu mweru wa September ni mweri utari mwega hario, kuona mweri uyu niguo maririkanaga riria mamu wao agikorirwo agikihuruka. Na Kariz Magic agikorirwo agithie Facebook page yake na kuria agikorirwo agitiga ndumiriri na kuga mweri uyu ni ukoragwo ukiri mweri mwega thĩinĩ wa family yao, na kuria agikorirwo akiuga, I used to hate September cause I used to believe it's my month of fate. It is the same month that went with my mother Wairimo. I wish Wairimo, my mom, could wake up one day and count how many times we have renamed her in and out of the country. Wairimo marorathimo, marogashira, marotherema, mami waciarire njamba. Na Kariz Magic niguo agikorirwo agikiuga ati mweri wa September ndawendete ona hanini, kuona onaga tariguo mweri wake wa fate, kuona niguo mweri uria wakorirwo ukikua mami wao Wairimo. Naho agikorwo agikiuga arawish korwo mamu wao no agiukire akione uria mamuciarite guku bururi-ini ona nja wa bururi, na makiri nato Wairimo tuingi muno, na agakirikiriria na kuga Wairimo o maragituika a kurathimwo na marokitherema guothe, na oho akirikiriria na gukiuga agiciarire njamba. Na ni matondu kuona mundu ugwitwo Kariz Magic mari na brother yake Samido Muchoki ni magikoretwo magitheremete muno makiria, na magikorwo mathiite ngina mabururi ma nanja na gukorwo magigiperforma undu uyu ukionania nima mutumia uyu witagwo Wairimo agikorirwo agigiciara njamba. Na thutha ucio o ta mutugo mafans matinaria mari guthie hau go mwena wa comment section guikorwo magigicomment ona Kariz Magic post igi mamu wao, na ta mundu ugwitwo man fake kibe agikorirwo agikimwira may she continue resting in peace. Mundu ugwitwo Wairi Jackson agikorirwo akiuga amen, it's my birthday month, marathimo. Keng'ori wa Ngare agikorirwo akiuga it's so emotional post. Did mom know that Samido is a millionaire now? Did mom know if she was alive angekuwa amefika London or whichever country she wishes? Did mom know ametolewa wimbo ti uhoro koma kwega kuraga mami nimo? Verosama agikorirwo akiuga amen, it's my name too, mama continue resting in peace. Na kemundo gwitwo Daniel Gitari agikorirwo akiuga niwe photocopy yake, may her soul rest in peace. Magika nimo agikorirwo akiuga may she continue resting in peace. Helen Njeri agikorirwo akiuga tunimo turorathimo and may Wasami continue resting in peace. Jimmy Dogiri agikorirwo akiuga keep resting up in peace. I know you must be a happy mom seeing the progress of the children you left at a very young age. Na kemundo ogwitwo Mary wake mane agikorirwo akiuga my namesake, my aunt, you brought heroes into this world, you must be happy in heaven, continue resting in peace. Coach Brian agikorirwo agikimwira may her soul continue resting in peace. Na mafans aho magikorwo magikiuga Samido makiri na mundu ugwitwo Kariz Magic ni makihanaine na mami wao, magicompare bica ici, na ino niyo bica iria mundu ugwitwo Kariz Magic agikorirwo agigikira ya mami wao. Na kuma guku kwa Nyarari ya Murang'a tugakiuga mami wa Samido arogithie na mbere na gukimama kwega kuraga. Na nindu wa news ici na ingi nyingi gakuhoya na gitio ugikorwo ugisubscribe haha Nyarari ya Murang'a, na no tuguthi na mbere na gukumenyithia maria marathi na mbere na guhanika. Nie njitagwo Nyarari ya Murang'a, ni ngatho.